topic is centroid. What is a centroid will be discussed. What is a centroid? So centroid is nothing but the point of congruence is called as a centroid. The point of congruency is called as centroid. So this is a centroid. Now will be discussed on diagram like this is a triangle A and this triangle B, this and C. So this is the triangle. Here from A point is draw a one median to opposite line BC. Where is what is the median? What is the median? Median is nothing but the median is from this vertices. From this vertices draw this line from A point to draw a one line to median line to BC line is dividing to equal ratio. Like this 1:1 like. So this is a D and same way this like and this one. So these are D, E, F. So where this point is a G is nothing but centroid. What is this? G is nothing but centroid. This is a centroid, right? Where E comma F comma D is medians of the vertices points of opposite lines. Where E comma F comma D is medians of opposite lines for medians. So right, same from this diagram where assume that A equal to x1 y1, B equal to x2 y2, then C equal to x3 and y3. A equal to x1 y1, B equal to x2 y2, C equal to x3 y3. From these 3 points we are using here, therefore centroid is nothing but G equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, where y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So this is the centroid, the point, center point. So this is nothing but centroid. Center, where the centroid is dividing so much of ratio. There is nothing but where this ratio is nothing but 2:1. Then same way BF also dividing ratio is 2:1. Then this one also 2:1. So this is a centroid. Next topic is angle bisector of in center. What is the angle bisector of in the center will be discussed, right? This is a diagram where assume that B and C. These are A, B, C. These are vertex points. In the one circle is moving on in center of the triangle like right, where he will draw a one medians of the lines like opposite, like where here once observe this diagram where the point of congruency is called as a in center. The point of congruency is called in center. So these are very important. This center is nothing but this is the center point. Already we have discussed. Center point is nothing but same as this. The congruency of the point of the congruency is called as a in center. Same way here this whenever the bisector lines we draw to opposite of median lines with the center point, this one is called as a in center. In center of the triangle is called as the point of congruency is called as a in center, where A comma B comma C is the vertices points of the opposite to draw a lines to the median lines, right? Where here once observe here this distance. So this distance is what is this? This one is radius of this circle. Next one here the circle is draw a in center of the circle. This circle is a draw a in center of the triangle. Internally angles is angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C whenever they given the equilateral triangle, right? Here this one is radius and the interior of the circle to triangle. Next the point of the congruency is called as a in center. This is the angle of the bisector, where angle of bisector is nothing but from A point is draw a opposite line, and this line intersect opposite lines dividing two equal ratio, where example this one is 2, this one also 2 equal ratios. Same way B point is from B point is draw a vertical line, this one also bisector of the dividing bisector of the opposite line. Same way from C point also draw dividing the bisector of opposite line. So these are angle of the bisector of incenter. Next topic is bisector of excenter. What is the bisector of excenter? Is easy topic. These will take one triangle. These are ABC, and from here this B point extend is like, and C point is also extend. Where here this in the exterior of the circle, here excenter is nothing but outer center. Before you have discussed in center, but here discuss excenter is nothing but outer center. Therefore here from this draw a one vertical like, right? Next one like. So here this make a center to circle outer of the exterior, where this point is once will be discussed, this B point, C point A. Therefore A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2, C equal to x3 comma y3. So this is the points on A, B, C, but three conditions is there will be discussed. So first condition is I equal to minus ax1 plus by2 minus plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c. These are one condition whenever the extra of the circle, extra of the center. Therefore next one is ax1 minus bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c. Next condition is ax1 plus bx2 minus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c. Here once observe here denominator is first one is minus, second one also here minus, third one is here minus. So this is a condition whenever the given circle is excenter of the circle. Bisector of excenter of the circle is conditions. These are the conditions. So topic is altitude. Altitude of the orthocenter. Once observe this diagram where A point, B point, C point, we assume that A point is x1, y1, B point is x2, y2, C point is x3, y3. But here free point is opposite draw one altitude. Altitude is nothing but is not a dividing opposite of two equal parts. Altitude dividing some extra outer points or either some dividing points like is nothing but these are 3 by 2 like this part of dividing this altitude, right? The same way before you have discussed medians is nothing but exactly dividing two equal parts. So this is the altitude. Here once observe here orthocenter is nothing but here in this diagram the point of congruency is called as a orthocenter. Yes, the point of congruency is called as a orthocenter. The same way once you observe here bisector of angles. Bisector of angles. Here bisector of perpendicular circumference. Bisector of perpendicular circumference. Here once observe here bisector of perpendicular circumference. This is the ABCD is this triangle. We are drawing a bisector of perpendicular. Bisector is nothing but, so here exactly make a 90 degrees, two from opposite lines to, right? Same way these are bisector of three bisector lines, and here circumference is nothing but these are circumference outer of the point whenever they divide the all points are dividing one point is nothing but these are the center. These are the center. So these are bisector of angle perpendicular to the circumference of the circle, where these are altitude. So this is the last points of prerequisites. So this is the basic concept of JEE mains, these in coordinate geometry. So successfully this topic is completed. We will be discuss on next topic in tomorrow. Thank you.